Hello and welcome to my shop. My name is George and I'm coming to you from Chelsea, Quebec. Today I'm going to borrow an idea from another YouTube channel. The channel is DIY Thosa. Now what he does is he makes a lot of accessories for power tools, and they're quite sophisticated. And one day I was watching his YouTube video, watching him make an inclined plane so that you could drill holes on a drill press at any angle. But I kept looking over his shoulder because he had something on his tool board that completely took my breath away. I thought I had a really good solution for small part storage, and that was to use sardine cans. But what I saw on his tool board basically told me that no, I did not win the internet. He had it hands down. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is Thosa's design. It's a series of kerfs made. In his case, he made it with a scroll saw. In my case, I used a pull saw. So a series of narrow kerfs with small reclosable bags. I guess the brand name would be Ziploc, but these are generic. And they're held in place. The closure itself is too fat to go through the kerf, but the bags themselves can be easily slid out. So I decided to make a set of these for myself.
C'est peut-être l'un des artistes contemporains les plus connus à l'heure actuelle qui fait ses œuvres à partir, par exemple, de vestes de soie.
Oui, Canada, je me rappelle, écoutez, à Toronto, le prix moyen d'une maison, le prix moyen de 50 centimes, ça passe à 2,1% pour une hypothèque de 450 000 $. Même élevé, prenons ça comme référence, à 25 ans, et l'hypothèse amortissement de 25 ans, on économiserait ici 115 $ par mois, ce qui fait 15 500 $ sur un mois. Et ça, c'est dans le but, et les gens ne le pas en dès le 15 avril prochain, et les demandes sont nombreuses sur les investissements importants qui devraient être consentis pour remettre en bon état les infrastructures existantes. Et donc, le mot-clé, c'est existant. Oui, et ça vient du Centre sur la productivité et la prospérité de HEC Montréal. Alors, on met en évidence un déficit d'infrastructure. On a réparé les conflits des discussions entre ce que vous allez faire au sein politique. On parle d'investissement prévu au Québec de 12 milliards de $ par année pendant 10 ans. Oui, ça dépend.
anything at all, what would it be?
After we said our dues.
A cute little mommy.
Yeah, our friends played a song and we marched out and we had flags and instruments.
Here they are mounted in place. I've got one panel for small wood screws, another one for machine screws, again small machine screws and some components that go with them. Lots of extra space because I expect to be finding and organizing more small parts as time goes on. The panels are held in place with these little dowel pins, so I can remove them and move them around. Now, if I had oriented them this way, then they would have taken up a fair amount of room. So here's one tier, there would be another one down here, a third one down there. So you can see there's about, I don't know, 2 square feet of tool board that would be used up by them. This way, they condense down to less area, and that works out for me because I won't be needing access to these things frequently. I have them staggered in height so that the dowel pins can be reached easily. Well, thanks for watching the video through till this point, and I hope you found my small modification of Thosa's genius idea worth watching. If you have anything to add to this, please feel free to write it in the comments. I enjoy reading them. And if you can make some time for your passion, do so. But if you can share it, even better. Bye for me for now.